Yo, what's good, y'all? It's Latrell, and shout out to Nomad for sending all these things out to me for a review. We're about to go and check out a whole bunch of Nomad products. But today we got the Nomad Base Station Stand wireless charger here, and I've been checking this out for a little bit now. I've been wanting to check this thing out, so you know what we gotta do. Ha! Let's get into it. Alright, y'all, so we're back here again at the legendary unboxing table that literally nobody knows about except for y'all, the fam watching this. It's time to go and check out Nomad's Base Station Stand wireless charger here because I need to upgrade my desk. I'm making a lot of desk renovations or just upgrading the whole desk entirely. And the Base Station Stand would be nice there because I don't got no wireless charger there right now. I used to, but I don't got it no more. Anyway, we got the Nomad logo right here. It says Base Station Stand wireless charger with the actual wireless charger right here. We got 10-watt fast charging and it's leather and aluminum construction. So it looked like somebody got their earpods here with an iPhone horizontal and an iPhone vertical. On the back we got refined design, functional style, versatile charging, and all that other good stuff right there. On the left side we got Nomad logo, and that's pretty much it around the box. All right, let's go and bust up into this thing. I'm not gonna keep talking any longer. I'm just gonna go ahead and open this thing, except we need a knife. Ha! Let's get into it. I love this knife. I love this thing so much. I just got this thing replaced too because the end of it, like the tip of it, actually broke on my other one, so I just got this. But yeah, get that thing on Amazon. I'll leave a link down below. And come on, we got another one here too. We got to go ahead and cut. I didn't even notice it. All right, now let's go and see what's up with this. And here is our base station stand. Man, look at that unboxing. Nomad always know how to make a new unboxing look good. So we got leather right here. This is rubber, and the whole entire thing is just basically aluminum. So this is high quality right here. Looking inside the box, it looked like we got a Type A to Type C, which is kind of interesting because my Base Station Pro actually had a Type C to Type C. But again, it's the same Nomad high quality cables that they always provide here, which is dope. I'm loving it. Braided cable here, and I'm pretty sure it's like a 10-foot cord. Looking more in the box, it looked like we got a little message here, which is pretty cool, I guess, but we're gonna go and throw that to the side. And we got more international adapters. So I don't know how much traveling I'm gonna do with my wireless chargers, but we'll see, I guess. So we got the United Kingdom or whatever else they provide here. I'm not really sure what those are supposed to be. All I know is that we got our American adapter right here. That's all I care about. And looking inside the adapter, you can actually see it's green, which means it's a fast charger. And just looking around there, that's pretty much inside the box. So here's our base station stand. Basically, you just go ahead and put your phone right there, or if you got Galaxy Buds or whatever you got, you can just go ahead and slap it right there. Or if you want to, you can go and put it in landscape like they showed in the pictures. So this whole area right here where this leather part is, that's a whole wireless charging area. But on the back, you can actually see that's where our USB port is, and it's actually an 18-watt. On the front, we actually got an LED indicator, and at the bottom, we got a QR code with a Nomad logo and all that good stuff. So all we gotta do at this point is just go and plug it in and see what's up with it. So we're plugging this in for the first time. Let's see if we get any lights or anything. No, we don't. Oh, yeah, actually you do. So now let's go and do some tests. So I got my Galaxy S20 FE. Let's go and throw that on there. And it's now charging. It says wireless charging. Let's see if it says fast wireless charging. And no, it does not. Maybe if I get a different power adapter, it might, but we're not seeing anything right here. Next, let's go and take the Galaxy Z Flip, and as you can see there, it's now charging. And if we go and open this thing up, let's go and see what it says, if it's just regularly charging. Oh, it said fast wireless charging. I don't know if y'all saw that or not. So now it just says, okay, there we go. So it says fast wireless charging. For some reason, it didn't show on the S20 FE, but it's showing on here. Throwing it on here again. Now let's go and see if anything changes. And nah, for some reason, it's not fast wireless charging. I don't understand it. That's weird. Taking the Galaxy Fold, let's go and throw that on there, and it says wireless charging. Let's go and see if that changes. Fast wireless charging, just like I thought. I don't know, man, that's messed up. So as you can see here, it's just the S20 FE issue, but with my Fold and Z Flip, it's fast wireless charging, so I don't get that. Even trying to hear with my LG chicken wing, let's go and throw that on there, and it's actually full already, so I don't really think it's gonna do anything. And yeah, it don't look like it. But let's go and take the Galaxy Buds right here. If we just go and leave it like that, I don't think it's gonna charge, but let's go and put it here to the side. And as you can see there, that's charging. Taking my Pixel Buds here, throwing that on the wireless charger. We have the LED indicator, and that's charging. So if you see my last video with the Nomad Base Station Pro, the Pixel Buds weren't charging on those, but it's charging on here. So if you see my last video on the Base Station Pro, the Pixel Buds wasn't charging on that, but it's charging on here. And with the last video, these phones just stopped charging and kept going again and stopped and go, and like it had a whole issue, but with this, it ain't doing that. So I'm really starting to think that with my Base Station Pro, I got a defective unit. But like I said, I gotta go and hit them up and see about that. If you got an Apple Watch, it ain't gonna charge on here. And if you got a Galaxy Watch, it also ain't gonna charge on here because it uses proprietary technology. So basically what you gotta go and do is get another Nomad wireless charger that has Apple Watch capabilities. I'm pretty sure they don't got one with Galaxy Watch capabilities, which is kind of trash, but I mean, it is what it is, I guess. But that's where I'm gonna go and wrap it here, y'all. So far, this gets my Jennings stamp of approval. I recommend this. Like, it's a pretty dope wireless charger. It's a really high quality wireless charger. It has fast wireless charging. It is expensive, but it's a nice wireless charger. If you're willing to spend the money, you should get this. And I ain't just saying that because they sent this to me for free. So shout out to them, by the way. But thanks for watching, y'all. If you like this video, go and give this video a like. And if you really like it, go and subscribe. But go and follow me on my social media, Eddie Centec on Instagram and Twitter, and Facebook, but Instagram and Twitter is the most active. And yeah, like I said, hopefully y'all enjoyed this. Thanks for watching. I'll see you on the next one, and peace out.
This is a Chucky Beat production. This is